Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm having some coding done to my 3 Series. I'm currently up in Yorkshire. It's really cold out here, and I thought I'll hit up with a company called 125 Coding. It's a company I've been following on my Instagram for quite a while. They do coding for BMW, Mini and the WAG group. So I've got Adil in my car at the moment who's doing some coding to my car. So let's go and see what he's up to. So guys, this is Adil from 125 Coding. Now, I've been speaking to Adil for quite a while in terms of some of the stuff that I want to have applied to this car. So Adil, over to you. What can you do to, in terms of coding?
Well, Cabby contacted me a couple of weeks ago to get his car coded. So I was like, yeah, why not? He's going to pop down to see his family in Dewsbury. So we thought we'd meet up on a Sunday morning in a closed car park, and we thought we'd get some things done to his car. I run an extensive list on my phone, and I'll just run through it with a customer before we start to see what he'd like, what he doesn't like, the spec of the car, and what needs doing, what doesn't need doing. Cabby's got a well-spec'd 3 Series, his wife's 3 Series.
Yeah, cheers man.
And yeah, he's got some tasteful mods. With the coding, we'll make it so that he finds it a bit better, and the options are better in terms of, for instance, the folding mirrors with one click, the beep on lock and unlock, the digital speedo. That's just to name a few, but we've got a massive list which will show you what we get done after we've done the coding.
Okay, brilliant. And in terms of how long does this coding take to do?
It takes around half an hour to 45 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, it depends, because sometimes I like to show the customers what needs doing after I've done, and sometimes they don't prefer it. I turn it back to what it was previously, and basically whatever the customer wants.
So some of the mods that I'm having done to my car are, for example, the digital speedo, which you don't normally get on the 3 Series. When you put the car into reverse, you know, the sort of door lights that you get under the door handles, I'm having them put on. I can't remember some of the other stuff, but
so then we've changed the skin on your iDrive to the iDrive 6 skin.
I'll throw that clip in now.
We've changed the sound signal set to the Rolls Royce sounds.
So I've got a Rolls Royce now in the shape of in the shape of a 3 Series.
We've changed the sports displays to what you'd find in an Mperformance car.
Okay.
We've changed your start stop, so it remembers your last memory, so you don't have to get in every morning and remember to switch it off. Yeah,
so I'm one of them where, like, say for example when I drove here, I switched it off because I don't like to have it on first thing in the morning and you come to a junction and you just unnecessarily just stop the car, the car switches off. So I usually switch that off, and it's going to remember that for the next time, right?
For the next time.
Okay, and the other thing is I've got the folding mirrors. Oh, that's a nice Audi R8. Just driving past it. Sorry guys. So yeah, I've got the folding mirrors in my car. So the way they work is you got to hold the button down for about 1.5 seconds.
1.5 seconds, yeah.
And sometimes you just forget.
Yeah, right now we'll change it so that as soon as you press the lock button, it'll fold the mirrors straight away.
Fold them in. So guys, I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you are in the market looking for some type of coding, and you're from, say, the north of England for your FG and I Series BMWs or any WAG group or your Mini, then please get in touch with 125 Coding and speak to Adil. I'm sure he'll point you in the sort of correct direction or give you some guidance. So also I just wanted to point out for all of my viewers, there is a discount code available, but Adil's going to run through that kind of discount and how it should be applied. So Adil, it's up to you. How do you want to do this?
Yeah, we'd love to offer a 10% discount to all the DownShift Throttle viewers. We also do Carplay activations, video in motion, and like you said, any coding available in the FG and I Series.
Brilliant. And you can be as selective as you want, I guess, because I haven't activated every single possible option.
Yeah, it's up to the customer, so however tasteful you want to go, basically. Brilliant. We also cover the VAG group, so VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, any car in that range. We can code. Also BMWs, Rolls Royces. Yeah.
Wow.
we can do anything.
Okay,
with them
so
cars.
and you've been in the business for how long?
Around 4 years.
Brilliant. So obviously quite a reputable guy. So guys, hopefully, like I said before, you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit me up on my Instagram, which will come up somewhere here, and the discount code, and obviously I'll throw in Adil's details on his Instagram now as well. And also don't forget to check out our Facebook group, the BMW M14i Shadow Edition Club. And hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.